welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I am back with a very exciting video. Cherryz was so kind enough to gift me everything for this video, so thank you so much Cherryz for gifting me everything for today's video. Spend £20 first, and then you guys can use 25% off coupon, which is siennaxsumms25 on your first order at Cherryz. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and do not forget to check out my socials. I'll be linking them down below. And without the way, let's get into the video. So, as you guys know, back to school season is upon us, and I wanted to choose things to do with back to school, as I know we're all looking for back to school essentials that we wouldn't necessarily think of, but everyone needs. And Cherryz just had a great selection. Also, look how pretty the box is. I'm a huge pink lover. First thing that I got is actually this really nice sage green notepad. It says you got this on the front in kind of this metallic-y gold. That's what it looks like. It is so cute, and inside it's just got lined pieces of paper, which I feel like is such a nice journal for back to school, or like a notepad just to put out in class and just write down your assignments, write down your homework. And it is also A5 just for size reference. Genuinely so cute. I feel like everybody needs a good notepad, so we do have one of these. I've actually did pick up a few like little beauty necessities. Perfect school essential, as we will have new shoes at this time of the year, can cause blisters. I'm just gonna put it like that. And I always need plasters. Of course, I had to get some Vaseline. I got two cocoa butter ones. I love cocoa butter, as well as Beauty Formula's Australian tea tree deep cleansing nose pores. I love tea tree, I love green tea, I love matcha, I love all of those kind of things. So I did in fact pick up some. I've actually used Beauty Formula's pore strips before, and they're amazing. I love them. They're basically the only brand that I use. Next up, I did in fact pick up this little claw clip. This one is white. I feel like you can never have too many claw clips, especially for school. They always come in handy when you least expect it as well as two little scrunchies, pink one, and this also sage green. I've become such a big fan of sage green. Very cute. This one is a no-brainer. I did get a deodorant. This is the Dove Moisture Cream Pomegranate and Lemon Scent Deodorant. Again, it's a back to school necessity, or just an everyday life necessity, so I always use coconut, but I wanted to try out the pomegranate one. So next up, as I love to bring little snacks with me to school, little bits of fruit, have the Cookie and Miller kitchenware storage Tupperware containers, and these are actually microwave safe, and they're baby pink. If you guys were expecting less of me, I don't know what else. These hold up to 300 milliliters as well. Very pretty and aesthetic. I'm loving them. On that kind of homeware topic, I couldn't help myself. TikTok made me do it. When I saw Cherryz had glass straws and also stainless steel straws, I had to get on it. A pack of 4 reusable glass straws with straw cleaner, and these are also eco-friendly. So in the morning when you're making your coffee, glass straws. I feel like these ones are probably better for home. Steel ones are probably better for school. Glass straws are the move. I feel like TikTok has just influenced me way too much. But they're adorable, and these were affordable as well, glass straws. And you guys will 100% be seeing these in future videos. And then I also picked up the stainless steel reusable straws with also another straw cleaner. These are also eco-friendly. As we're on the drink topic, pick up some Cadbury drinking chocolate. Always need hot chocolate, and as it's now September, it's gonna become colder soon, so we've got some warm drinks for those, I want to say, gloomy days, because the weather's gonna change. Cadbury drinking hot chocolate is amazing. It is a no-brainer for fall, and I'm personally a lover for hot chocolate. And I also saw that Cherryz had some really lovely mugs. I love mugs. So this one is a white one with like pink hearts and a little gold rib. If you're gonna buy hot chocolate, you guys should get the matching mugs. They also have this in purple and blue, I'm pretty sure, but I just got my pink one. I love it. Also, I had to get a whiteboard. You guys could also buy some pastel whiteboard pens, put this up in your room, write your to-do list for the week, etc. And it also comes with a pen and a string to hand, plus 4 mounting pads as well. The last things that I picked up from Cherryz were actually a few snacks. I got some Aeros and chocolate oranges, which I have 100% eaten by now. And I also bought some vanilla bath bombs as well. These smell amazing, and they're really nice little bath bombs to have on more chilled out, relaxed days. I want to say again a big thank you to Cherryz for sending me all of these lovely things for back to school. You guys can get 25% off your first order with siennaxsumms25 when you spend £20 on your first order. I'll be linking Cherryz down below for you guys, as well as everything mentioned in today's video. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and do not forget to check out my socials. I'll be linking them down below. I will see you guys in my next video. I love you guys so much. Have an amazing day and amazing week. Bye!